Okay guys, on 14th of July 2022, now you can see that we have a plant of a red pagoda or crassula. You can say that it is not a perfectly crassula capitella campfire, but it is a little bit just like the crassula Buddha's tomb, okay? Because its petals are just like arranged in a certain order. Now we want to propagate it from the cuttings, so we have taken one of its main cuttings. Now we will remove its bottom leaves. Okay, now we have removed some leaves. Why it is so? Because if these leaves uh, come in contact with the media, they can become rot. So that is why it is better to remove the lower leaves. Okay. So this is our first stem. Now we will take a second stem cutting. Okay, now we are just searching for our stem cutting. So this one is our second stem cutting. Okay, now these are, okay, one is a little bit big and the other is small. Okay, now we have taken the media. Now we will want to put some water so that it will become a little bit wet. Okay, now we will take our second glass. Okay, now put some water and just put some first the best thing is to make it a little bit smooth, and then we can put our stem cutting in it. Okay, so now we have brought one screwdriver. So okay, let's make the media smooth. Okay, now put the crassula in it. That is the crassula red pagoda plant. Now take the second cutting as well and put it like that. Now you after all this you need to put it in the shade. Although maybe it can survive, if the plant is big it can survive in sun, but here you need to put it in the shade. On August 5, 2022. Now you can see that these are our results. I lost the second one, but I have this one. Okay. Although the second one is also propagated properly, but I lost it. Now what about this one? We will take it out. We will, okay, now like tape the media, and now you can see that the roots have folded our media. Okay, although media contains a lot of sand, so that's why it is a bitter fine. If it is clay, it strongly clings to the roots. Okay, now we will tape the media again and again so that, okay, and this thing. Okay, now you can see the roots. Okay, these are our roots and they are very small. Okay, very small and delicate. Maybe you can see or not. Yeah, you can see. Okay. Okay, so this is result after like 20 to 25 days. We don't have any sort of huge progress, but still it's good. Okay, still our plant is surviving. Still it is like it has produced some roots, so it is better. Okay. Okay, now we will In order to place it again in the media, we have to make the media smooth, and then I have put it in the media again. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the crassula within the simple media.